We are together with a good question. Two different logarithm problem. I will solve this question. It will be left to you here. Please share with your friends. What did he say to us? X will not be equal to 1 will not be equal to 1. He said that X and Y are positive real numbers, and he wants us to solve this question. Now here are the questions given to us in this way. Tips are important for us in this style of logarithm questions. Will tell us the logarithm base that will solve this question. Then I use this expression. I try to write according to the complete logarithm 2 base. Logarithm 2 base 2 times y over logarithm 2 base x equals logarithm 2 base 2 times x divided by, then using the properties of the logarithm. Expressions here. I try to break. So what do I mean? Logarithm 2 base 2 plus logarithm base 2 divided by y. Logarithm base 2 is equal to x. When we continue, logarithm 2 base 2 plus logarithm 2 base x divided. We have converted the logarithm to a y shape at the base 2. What can we do next? If you have different methods, you can write them in the comments. Please try to listen to me carefully. Now give them. If we cross product like this, what will come before us? Logarithm base 2 y. We opened our bracket logarithm 2 base 2 plus. We close the y bracket at the base of logarithm 2 is equal logarithm base 2x. We opened the cross bracket logarithm 2 base 2. Plus we drop the logarithm base 2 to the x position. What can we do next? This friend in this bracket. We can distribute this friend in this bracket. If we continue to process logarithm base 2 times y, base of logarithm 2, 2 plus logarithm in base 2. E times logarithm base 2 is equal to y. Logarithm base 2, x times logarithm base 2 plus logarithm base 2x. We got x. Let's not forget this feature of logarithm right here. Logarithm base. When we say a, we say that this expression is equal to 1. And if we assume that the expression here is 1, what will our expression become? Logarithm base 2 y plus logarithm base 2 has y squared. Equal. Look, the expression here is also available. Logarithm base 2x plus logarithm base 2. X is 1 squared here too. Now I think, what can we do next? Two different variables have logarithmic squares. He wants us to solve this problem. Now we can benefit from identities here. So what do I mean? We had an expression that we called a squared minus b squared times in brackets. We could express it as a plus b. Then I do this. If I'm going to send this to this side, logarithm base 2y minus logarithm base 2 is equal to x, base of logarithm 2. X squared minus the logarithm is y squared at base 2. This feature is the feature I took into the green box we saw. If I apply here, what will I come across? We look at him immediately. Logarithm base 2 y minus logarithm base 2. X equals logarithm base 2x minus logarithm 2 base y times in bracket. Logarithm base 2 x plus logarithm turned to y at base 2. Of course we have simplification processes here. If we apply them immediately, if we simplify this expression, of course, because they are opposite, this will come as minus 1. The other side remained as it was. Logarithm 2x plus logarithm. It turned into y in 2 tabs. Feature of logarithm. How can I write this statement? If I continue right away, logarithm base 2. These two will come as multipliers. Minus 1. Logarithm was coming here as top. The expression we call x times y would be 2 to the minus 1. That is, 1 smox 2. That's it now. What I want from you. I solved this question this way. I showed 2 questions at first, one of which I solved. The other is these friends. Please solve this problem. If you can solve it in a different way, I want you to specify in the comments. I'm waiting for your answers. Let's see how many you will find. See you. Bye-bye. Stay with math.